goodness, my goodness, my goodness. All right. You know, I slept in. Two things. This is the island that I had the best chocolate croissant experience ever. I know the bakery is there. I know that they're cooking right now. I know probably 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. they open. Is it outside? So it's 5:30 right now and it is dark outside. So I would imagine in about an hour I need to leave. All right, so there's a monastery on this island. What got left out of a story last year is I went to a monastery. I didn't necessarily know I was going there that day. I only went up to take pictures. And when I walked up there and took pictures, which is an accomplishment, I then noticed that the door was open and I went inside. And then when I went inside, this got edited and you would think that the no photo sign is why I turned around. Yeah, but the fact is I got thrown out. I wasn't orthodox enough, I wasn't reverent enough. I had a tank top on. You should actually go in there. It's a holy place and you should respect it. And I do know that, I didn't know I was gonna end up there last time. Well, this time I'm walking in like a priest.
I'm listening.
What time is sunrise in Greece?
In Athens, Greece today, sunrise will be at 6:53 a.m.
Do you hear that? It's just all roosters and here's the little, hello? Anybody friendly here? Oh, hello. Hey, beautiful. Good morning. Hello. My name's Tony. Hello. You're a little guy. Hey, I'm gonna bring some apples. I'm gonna bring you some apples. Well, there's less of everybody. The property seems well taken care of. Hello. Hello. Good morning. The white one is still down there. That little white one there, let me tell you something. I'm gonna win that baby over. You watch. Have you ever been scratched behind your ears? I bet you don't get loving. What do you think about that? Oh, okay, I gotta go. I'll bring you something later. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm gonna come up with a name for you too, don't you worry. I like the background. All right, so here's the story. This is a traditional Greek bakery. It's been here forever. I think Moses used to get his bagels here. And I actually really did stumble in last time because when I walked up the stairs, I broke my iPhone. Didn't care. I had the best chocolate croissant experience of my life. Well, it's actually August 31st. Mark your calendar because I planned an entire trip around a delicious pastry. I got news for you. I know already. This is, except for the calories, it's like going to the gym. What do I mean by that? Try lifting this. They are not afraid to use the chocolate. like delicious toast. Thank God this is 6,000 miles away from me. I would have a problem. So, what time is it? 7 o'clock. I think they've been open since 6. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to get here even earlier. My friends, this did not disappoint. Look at my view. I mean, look at this. It's authentic. God.
Hey Siri, I am on the island of Morgos.